How to switch account in Honkai Impact 3. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually switch your account in Honkai Impact 3, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So as you can see, I'm currently logged into one of my accounts and I'm on the login page, so it'll ask me to tap anywhere to enter the game, right? So if you want to actually switch your account, first of all you need to do is from the login screen right over here, you'd find the switch account button. Now in case you don't find it, I want you to go ahead and then simply actually relaunch the Honkai Impact game. So go ahead and simply reopen the Honkai Impact game again. Once you open the Honkai Impact game, it will take you to the login page automatically. So we're going to come back until the login page has basically been loaded up, as you can see. So after the login page has actually been loaded up, what you need to do is, if you look from the bottom right, you'll actually find the switch account button after the login screen actually loads up. So as you can see here, we have the button that's a switch account, right? You can just tap on the switch account button. Now all you have to do is enter the new Honkai Impact account that you actually want to log into. Once you enter the new account that you want to log into, just go ahead and sign in, and then you should be able to successfully switch your account in that way respectively. And that's all it takes to go ahead and switch your Honkai Impact account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.